Experience innovation in motion. Meet the AVA Tech Mobile Smart Screen, redefining your modern workspace. Work without limits. The AVA Tech Mobile Smart Screen moves wherever ideas happen, giving every team the freedom to collaborate in any workspace. Connect and collaborate effortlessly. Share your ideas wirelessly from any device. The AVA Tech Smart Screen makes teamwork seamless. Empower your team today. Forget cables and complicated setup. Instantly share presentations from multiple devices and keep every meeting moving with seamless wireless collaboration. Experience next-generation productivity, powered by Android 16 and Google Gemini AI, delivering smarter meetings and faster decision-making. Bring every presentation to life with stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution and intelligent brightness adjustment that keeps every viewing experience comfortable throughout the day. Connect every office with intelligent AI-powered video conferencing that keeps every participant perfectly framed for professional hybrid collaboration. Deliver every presentation with immersive audio and stunning visuals. Powerful built-in speakers ensure every word is heard with exceptional clarity. Work without boundaries using the built-in battery and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, keeping your business productive wherever inspiration takes you. From education and healthcare to retail, exhibitions, and corporate offices, the AVA Tech Mobile Smart Screen adapts to every professional environment. Transform organization collaboration with AVA Tech Mobile Smart Screens. Contact KBS Enterprises for expert consultation, live demonstrations across Pakistan.